My name is Mike Gorman. I work with the professional development of digital learning and the one-to-one initiatives out here in Southwest Allen County Schools. We are out here today finding out new ways, transformative ways to really give students the content and the 21st century skills they need to know. Our teachers today are going to be experiencing what it is to do what I would call student-centered learning, putting the student at the center and surrounding them with resources. And some of those resources can be, of course, the textbook. Other things can be multimedia. You can also see things that you find research on the web. But also, some of those resources can be your community. It can be people you collaborate and meet on the web. And so to be able to bring this all together and give students what I would call a real learning experience, which is what project-based learning is all about. One thing I like to say is that in project-based learning, a lot of times teachers do projects, but those projects are sometimes after the learning. Well, in project-based learning, what we do is teachers instead use the project to teach the content. And so what I'd like to say is instead of the teacher covering the curriculum, the students uncover the curriculum. And it makes it real, it makes it authentic, it engages kids. We bring in a lot of the digital capabilities, especially what we're going to be doing out here in Southwest with the one-to-one, and make what I feel is a just tremendous, powerful learning experience for our students.